What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited today to tell you that Project Hot Wheels, or whatever you want to call it, is actually going to hit the dyno today. We're all loaded up, strapped, ready to ride, and see you there. All right, so I'm on my way to the dyno. Really kind of hoping to make, well, if I make anything north of 350, it won't be a total loss. A similar combo should see roughly 400 at 10 pounds at a Mustang dyno, but we'll find out. You know, it's just a stock block, intake to pan. There's nothing done to it. Stock cam. I did put springs on the heads, and they've been decked. So put a stronger trans in it, a center force clutch. The axle's 31 spline. You know, it's got a Cobra diff in it. AKA Explorer rebuilt diff and C-clip eliminators. So, I mean, it's a nice ride, and I can't wait to see actually what it makes, if it makes anything. So, let's see. All right, so me and Paul actually finally made it here to the dyno over at TI Dyno, Craig and Auto. Real busy, so look the car over real quick. We are about ready to go over and get it strapped down. We're gonna get a quarter horse put on it. We'll get a binary editor ready and see if we can't get this thing to start tuning up. So stay tuned. Probably be streaming this too, so you'll be able to see on different angles. All right, so here we go. We're getting ready to strap it down, get ready to start making some hits. Had a little bit of wiring issue, had a little O2 issue. We're gonna figure that out. We're gonna tune around it. It should be all right. When you convert to mass air, sometimes you shouldn't take the, you know, when people put them together, you should probably go through them. I probably should have done that, but that's my fault. That's okay. It's not going to keep us from tuning. So, you know, we're getting ready to, we're hooking up the wideband, you know, getting ready to turn the car on and check the AFR. We're strapping it down right now, and we're about to start making some hits. So, you know, it's bone stock 88 motor with a turbo on it. So. Working our way up. 294, 350, stock block, 9 pounds. 11.7, 11.8, 11.9, all the way to 52. Hang on, let me shut this off. All right, what's up, YouTube? So yesterday wasn't exactly the best dyno in the world. I'll leave a link to the description of the description of the stream, because I actually like the stream a lot because it's kind of cool because it gives you that like experience. But anyways, 1988 bone stock motor, intake to oil pan. I'm a little depressed that didn't make 400 plus, but it was making 400 plus on that last run. But we smoked the clutch on the last run. But it's tuned. And all that means is the car's gonna work. And the nice thing about this is intake to pan, it's stock. So like stock cam, I put valve springs in it and head studs. And that's it. And the nice thing about this tune is it's built for 42s. The pump, it's built. If I split the block, if I break the block, if the block just fails on me, I can just build another one, freshen it up, throw it in here, and the car's ready to run again. You don't really need to retune stuff like that. But 400 horsepower on the street, guys, is fun. I've been beating the crap out of this stuff for years. I had nothing but fun at 400 to 500 horsepower with my black car because I would drive it on the street and just go out and have a blast. But as far as the tune's concerned, AFR is around 11.7, 11.6. You see that in the video. Timing was around 15, 16 degrees total timing. You can see that in the stream, which is sort of conservative. That's the way dyno tunes should run. I mean, we're running 12 pounds of boost. Well, 11.6, I think the number was. 11.8, something like that, whatever. We use the Grimspeed boost controller. It naturally made 9 pounds with the on-3 gate, and I'm actually really impressed the on-3 gate held the power that it did, because I've always had a little bit of issue with them, but I'm actually impressed with it. It actually worked all the way through the RPM range, and the car was still making power. We never really made that 6,000 pull that we wanted to make, 5,500, 5,800, because the clutch was just smoked. So we're gonna go ahead and change the clutch, change a couple seals, fix a couple leaks, you know, get this wired back the way it's supposed to be. That's the ACT air charge. But you know, expectations with the dynos, guys, is that's the way it's at. You know, this is stock block, man. What do you expect? If it makes 400 wheel, that's really awesome. So, but anyways, without further ado, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell for notification. I'll see you guys soon. All right, so let's go take it around the block. Ready to put another clutch in it. Hoping this GoPro stays nice and tight. Found this is a mass air converted car. Somebody had white with red wire in position 32, not 38, or something like that. I don't remember. Missing like 3 of the wires that were supposed to be hooked up. These shocks suck in the front. I still got a lot of work to do to this car. I need a new windshield because we cracked it on accident putting the trim in and stuff. This thing shifts like a son bitch. Too bad the clutch is fried. clutch I even put in here. I think I put the Ram clutch in here. I didn't like it. Drives really good, man. That tune's on point. Okay. We'll take a better video when I get some things fixed.